guys, today I am with Amazfit PowerBuds and I'm going to show you how easy you can check serial number of this device. So at the first we have to remove this ear hooks from the case, and next I'm going to zoom in to show you how it looks inside. Let me just catch it like that. And the serial number will appear above the Made in China signature. It's right here. There is the serial number of the Amazfit PowerBuds. So to sum up, you can just find them on this upper cover on your charging case. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.